Okay guys, we got a package from where we buy from here, Tia 3H from the Tokopedia. Should be inside is that things a secondary pocket and back speedy ran by Ferrari. Okay, first let's see the weak point. All is still good. We cannot find the weak point, so we just cut in here. Oh, okay, it's just outside packaging. So inside packaging doesn't damage if we do some bad things outside. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yes, package is safe. The package still cannot get out. The packaging is so good. Still hard. Oh, they glued this. Okay, they glued this. They cannot be get it very easy. The plastic bag. You bring this up. Oh, this is the bottom of the package. Sorry. This is the top of the package. We still put some sellotape in there. Oh, there's any soft pack. Nice. This any like a mini goodie bag. Oh my god, that's so good. Packaging is very good, like original item. But at least this is original item. Voila, Scuderia Ferrari bag. Wow, look at this. The emblem. Oh, it's awesome. And in here we can see this is another item. This is the Ferrari bag. Another item. There's a pocket. Like a safety. Ooh, the pocket comes with the leather case too. And the soft case. Ooh. This is Dior pocket. Christian Dior. Wow. Original. You can see. Fiocchini, Italy. That's crazy. Okay. Oh my god, that's original, I can feel it. Wow. Okay, this is the pocket. Better put in back in goodie bag. And this is the Ferrari bag. Let me open this, I think. This is original Ferrari bag from Japan. All is original Ferrari. Italy. When you flip this is Italy too. Ferrari inside this. Ferrari in every bag. Some anti-fumus. Ferrari. It's quite funny. Small bag. The bottom like this. Never used before, I think. This is the tight a little in here. Oh, we can see this is the most fragile item, the hand carrier. The hand carrier is very good. It makes you see there is the hand carrier not used before. Never used before. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Ferrari. Italy Modena. Modena, Italy. Wow. Perfect. Perfect. Let me open this too. Oh, this is not tight. This one tight. Like before, it must be open layer by layer. The handheld is perfectly, the condition is perfect. As you can see, voila! Still has a pattern of lemonade skin. Perfect, still brand new. Modena, Italy. Wow. You think this original or fake? I think this original. Beautiful bag. Modena, Italy. No serial number. Very nice to bring some money in these pockets. Thank you for watching.